Just in direct from the last owner. What a beautiful example this is. Extremely low mileage. Audi A1 1.4 TFSI Sport S-TRONIC, which is automatic. Floret silver metallic. Just one family owner, 31,000 miles. 2014 on a 14 plate. Great value for money. Great condition all the way around. We've just carried out a full service, replaced the front brake discs, rear discs and pads as well. Air conditioning service, so it's ready to drive away today. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how nice this car is. It's got £1,100 worth of factory fitted options, including the parking system, heated seats, Floret silver metallic, beautiful colour. It's a 1.4 TFSI, 123 brake horsepower. As I mentioned, the S-TRONIC 7-speed automatic. Great size boot on it. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. Of course, you've got the luggage cover over there. Battery in there, all the toolkit, all complete there. All the loading area, lovely and clean. No damage onto that one. Rear parking sensors. All down the sides. It is absolutely gorgeous. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. All the wheels in fabulous condition. The odd little mark on those, we've not had these refurbished. This is how the cars come in. So they're all in very good condition. You have to remember it's a 2014 car. So the rear discs and pads, as I say, has just been replaced. It's got matching cross climate Goodyear tyres all the way around. All in great condition. Very nippy little car, spacious little car as well. So all down the sides. So the near side front wheel, again, very good. Just a light curbing just there, but nothing to shout about. Again, the front tyre all across the front. You've got the front parking sensors. Beautiful across the front. Obviously for the age and the mileage you might get the odd tiny stone chip, which there is the odd one or two, but nothing major at all. All across the front, the lower valance. And this is why we do the videos, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide. No nasty surprises when you come for the car. So the driver's wheel, again, exceptional condition. Again, of course, the tyre there, all down the sides, absolutely gorgeous. And the final wheel and tyre, again, no damage on that. Of course, the tyre again, plenty of tread on that. All the trims, absolutely gorgeous condition. It's got this sort of half leatherette type material and cloth, all absolutely exceptional. All the headlining, there's no damage. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Again, the driver's door trim, all the entry points, driver's seat, leather multifunction steering wheel. The sun's just catching the mileage. 31,216 is the mileage. 31,216. 2014 car. So incredibly low mileage. Lots of service history with it. All the dashboard, all the trims, all absolutely perfect, undamaged. Great sound system on it. Got the menu there, radio, media. Various settings on there, so parking aid, speed warning, you can set those. Vehicle status. Again, you can just scroll around the menu, tone, radio, media, telephone, car, connect, Bluetooth connection, again all connected from there. Got the menu button, no navigation, SD card input in there, CD player in there, air conditioning, and of course, as I mentioned on this one, it has got the heated seats, great option on it. Of course, S-TRONIC gearbox, put it to drive, slide across there, you can change the gears like a manual if you so wished. Very straightforward. Of course, you've got the paddle shift gear change if you fancy probably like a paddle shift. Got the menu on there, scroll through. Radio. So you've got voice activation as well. This contact is not available. So making it very easy with the voice activation to change radio stations or to call somebody safely without having to take the hands off the phone. So there we go. What a beautiful, beautiful example with just 31,000 miles, one family owned, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. If you're looking for a nice little automatic with good spec, in great condition, this has to be the one. Remember, if you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that reserve button, nobody else can beat you to it. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, or refund your deposit, no questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free way to buy a high-quality used car. Click and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. So you could have this on your driveway tomorrow morning. Specialist car based in Stoke-on-Trent. A multi-award-winning dealer. Established since 1997. That's 28 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free, pleasurable experience. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. So there we have it. Our phone number again for any help at all is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you give us a call 01782 822 700.